So working with someone that would have lower back issues every time they went to go bend over. So after teaching them how to brace and how to create kind of a firmer trunk position, we just had to figure out how to combine that with bending over. So some of the strategies I went over was just starting them in a bent over position, but in a controlled way. So we just had them rest here, and that felt good for them. So the first thing was, can they feel strong here? We had them brace, they would take their hands off, and they felt good here. So just kind of building that confidence for them that they can bend over and feel strong about it. And then we had to figure out how to work on that transition. So they were strong up top, they were strong on the bottom, but transitioning into the bent over position was a challenge. So this was a strategy that helped them. Just kind of having something on your butt, kind of cueing that nice brace for them, and then when they would just push their butt backwards into this plate, and once they had that feedback, it was much easier for them to bend over and stay tight as they would move. And that was it. So giving them that feedback was all they needed. Hopefully that helps you. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know.